In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task duration in Asana. If you've ever wondered how to show that a task takes more than one day, setting a duration is the key. Instead of a single due date, you'll give your task a start and an end date, which helps teammates see when work begins, when it's expected to wrap up, and how it fits into the bigger schedule. Start by opening the task you want to adjust. Just click the task from your list, board, or timeline view, and the details pane will slide open on the right. This pane is where you'll see the assignee, the date field, description, and any subtasks or comments. Make sure you're looking at the correct task since everything you change here updates for everyone who can see it. Now, look to the top left of that details pane for the date field. Click it to open Asana's calendar picker. By default, Asana assumes you're setting a single due date, which is perfect for simple one-day items. But for work that spans multiple days, we'll switch that to a range. At the bottom of the calendar, click Add Start Date. This tells Asana you want to set both a beginning and an ending for the task. It's a small link, but an important one. It changes the picker from a single date to a range so the task can live across several days. Next, select the range itself. Click the date you want the work to begin, then click the date when you expect to finish. You'll see the calendar highlight the span between those 2 points, and the date field will update to show both the start and end. If you misclick, simply choose the correct dates before closing the calendar. The highlight will adjust right away. Once your range is in place, Asana treats the final day as the deadline while clearly showing the full window of work. This makes timelines clearer, helps align resources, and avoids last-minute surprises. Pick dates that reflect when meaningful progress happens, not just when you hope to wrap up. If your team works across time zones, remember that dates display based on your local settings, so choose the range that matches your plan. That's all there is to it. Open the task, click the date field, add a start date, and select your start and end. You've now turned a single day due date into a clear, multi-day duration that your whole team can follow. Thanks for watching and happy planning in Asana.